Hello, everyone. Today, I want to demonstrate what our Markdown table generator template does. We can choose the template from the Flow Library tab and select the Markdown table generator option. This flow allows you to generate a Markdown table tailored to your specific preferences based on the input you provide. You can customize various aspects of the table, such as the number of columns and rows, headers, and the content for each cell. It's a versatile tool that's perfect for creating structured data presentations, lists, or comparisons in Markdown format. Whether you need a quick table for a document, README file, or content management system, this flow saves you time by generating clear, well-formatted tables that are aligned with your needs. There's a full video on how you can create this flow for yourself linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.